Welcome everyone to Joshua Okwuwe online math class. I'm so happy to have you all again, and I'm glad that you make our time to watch this video. Please, at the end of this video, don't forget to click the like button, share this video, whatever you'll be learning today, and most especially if you have not subscribed to our channel, click the subscription button and the bell so that whenever I post any new video, you'll be able to get notification and enjoy our videos. As usual, if you come to visit our channel on a daily basis, in no time you'll become a mathematician, as you have lots of method here that will wow you, that will make you love math. Again, continuing on our mathematics trick, we'll be looking at 3 tricks today. One of them, the very first one, is multiplying any 2-digit number by 11. There's a trick. Whenever you are multiplying any 2-digit number by 11, for instance, you have something like this. Let's say 35 times 11. 35 times 11. How do you multiply this without using calculator, without wasting your time? This is simply the same thing as just look at this. Look at this 35. Just open them 3, 5. Then what do? Add them. 3 plus 5 is what? Is 8. Just write it down here. That is all. That is your answer. So 35 times 11 is 385. Is it interesting? Let's take another one again. Let's say for instance I have 56. 56 times 11. 56 times 11. Again, open it up. 5, 6. Now we add this. 5 plus 6 is what? 5 plus 6 is 11. So you won't just write 11 here. We'll write down 1. Add the 1 to this 5. When we now add the 1 to the 5, this becomes what? It becomes 6. And that is the answer. So 56 times 11 is equals to 616. Let's take one more. For instance, you have something like, let's say 43 times 11. Again, this is, let's look for another number. Let's say 47. Let's say 47 times 11. What do? You open up again like this. 4 plus 7 is what? Is 11. Oh, still 11. Well, no problem. I was looking at another number before. Can we just try? Let's try 8. Let's try 8. Let's use 8 so that you open it up. So 4 plus 8 is what? Is 12. What did you write down? 2. Carried 1. You add the 1 to this 4. So it becomes what? It becomes 5. So that is a multiplication trick for multiplying any 2-digit number by 11. You don't need to waste your time. Just do this. Just open it up, you add the number, you drop it there. That is all. The next trick is we're getting perfect squares without calculator. Perfect squares without calculator. What do you mean by perfect square? For example, you have something like this. Let's say root 25, root 121. These are perfect square, like root 49, okay, like root 64, root 81, 121, 144, and so on and so forth. So when you look at these squares like this, they are called what? Perfect square. How can I get the value of this without using a calculator? How can I get this without using a calculator? All you need to do is just simply put, look at, you take this 25, you go as if you are finding the LCM. Look at what number will divide this. 2 cannot divide this, 3 cannot, but 5 can. So 5 here is what? 5. 5 can get again 5, 1. If you look at this, we usually take this is square, we'll take it 2, 2. So this is you group them. So therefore the square root, you just take 1. Square root of 25 of it. You just take 1 of it. Since it's 2, since it's square root you are looking for, square 2. So we just take just 1. That gives us what? 5. The 121, the same thing also applies again. 121. We do the same thing again. 121. 121 now. We look at the number. Can 2 divide this number? No. Can 3 divide? No. Even 5 cannot divide. 7 cannot divide it. So the next number that can divide this should be 11. 11 in 12. How many 11 do I have in 12? Is 1. Remainder 1. You drop the 1, it becomes 11. How many 11 do you have? 11. It's 11. 11 can go again. Again, you take, okay? So therefore, square root of 121 is equals to what? You just take, you group them into 2. So it's just what is 11. You can try for any number, 144, any square, any perfect square at all. Just do this. You get your answer. Okay? Let me take one more. Like root 16. Root 16. Root 16 is what? It's a perfect square. So let's take this. So again, you roll. 2 can go. This gives us 8. 2 can get again. 4. 2 can get again. That is 2. 2 can get again. That is 1. So what? As I said, you group them in twos. 1, 2, 2, 2. So you take out 1. You pick one of them. So therefore, the square root of 16 is equals to what? 2 times 2. 2 times 2, which equals to what? Which equals to 4. So you can try this method out in finding the perfect square at any point in time. But remember, you're going to start from the smallest number. Don't jump, okay? Don't jump. Just start from the smallest number. When you are done dividing, as if you are finding the LCM, then you group them into 2 and then pick out just one of them, then multiply it, give you your answer. The next trick we're talking about is subtracting trick for certain numbers. What are these numbers? For instance, you have a number like this. Let's say you are subtracting 53 minus 35. We'll do something like this. Just look at this number and this number. We'll say 5 minus 3 times 9. This 9 is a constant. It's a constant. So 5 minus 3 is what? Is 2. 2 times 9 is equals to what? Is 18. And so that is the answer. So 53 minus 35 will give us what? 18. Will give us 18. It's as simple as that. 53 minus 35 will give us 18. Let's take another number again. For instance, you have something like, let's say 95 minus 59. Look at, it's like a reversal. 9559. You know, when you see numbers like this, don't waste your time. Just do this. 9 times 5 times 9. Remember, the 9 is what? It's a constant. You always multiply it by 9. Okay, that is just the rule. So 9 times 5 is what? Is you subtract, not times. You subtract. So 9 minus 5 is what? Is 4 times 9. So 4 times 9 will give us what? This will give us 36. So that is the answer. So 95 minus 59 will give us 36. You can try it. Form any number. 73 minus 37. Okay? 22, 21 minus 12. You know, just numbers like that. Numbers of this nature. Try this trick. You find out that you get the answer without usually going through the normal division. Thank you so much for watching the video. We appreciate you so much for your time. Great heart for watching our videos. If you have enjoyed what you have watched in our lesson today, we encourage you as usual to please don't forget to click the button. Once again, thank you so much. See you in our next video. Bye-bye. Okay, let's take another one again. Okay, that is it. Very simple. So let's take another one again. Let's take, for instance, we'll have it something like this, like 95 minus 59. 95 minus 59. So what do you do from here? It's just the same. 9. You see 9 minus what? Minus 5 times 9. 9 minus 5 is what? Is 4. 4 times 9 is what? 36. And that is it. So it's not difficult. So please always remember you will multiply by what? By 9. The 9 is what? The 9 is a constant. The 9 is constant. So you can try it out with other number. For instance, you have 27. 27 minus okay, let's say 72 minus 27. Okay, numbers like that. Or you have 21 minus 12. Okay, so just numbers of this nature. Try to use this method to subtract them. You find that you don't need to go through the normal method of trying to arrange them, tens and units, and then trying to subtract from them. No, you're using this trick, you easily get your answer. I hope you enjoy what you have learned in our lessons today. Please, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you're able to get notification whenever we upload new videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.